In a major environmental initiative, Goa is all set to host the International Coastal Cleaning Awareness Camp on September 20th. This event, aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal for life below water, is being coordinated by the Indian Coastal Guard. The campaign will focus on cleaning up 20 beaches across the state's 103 kilometers coastline, including popular spots like Miramar, Baga, and Colva.
Okay, beaches in Goa are very important because they are the hub for economic activity, tourism activity, for which the entire Goa strives. It is important that we keep these beaches clean, and this drive can only be successful with involvement of each and everyone. Towards this, we want to spread the awareness about the requirement of clean beaches in Goa. And as part of International Coastal Cleaner Day, which is celebrated internationally in September, we want all general people to join this drive, go to the nearest beach, clean those areas, collect whatever is wasteful over there, keep it there, and take a pledge. Then let's keep our beaches clean, because I believe whatever we give it to sea, it gives us back. If we give it garbage, it will give us the garbage. So it is important that it should not be a one-day drive only. It is the awareness. If it is successful, people should be aware that we keep our beaches absolutely clean, so that we get benefited and the future generation can get benefited. So towards this, we appeal everyone to join this drive, go to the nearest beach, join us, strengthen us, and keep Goa clean. Thank you.
Sir, how many beaches?
20 beaches as of now we are covering. And in addition, our families will join. Children will join. So we are anticipating the Coast Guard strength itself to be about 800 plus. Because this is the strength that we have in Goa. Last year with volunteers, we had strength of almost about 5,000 people plus who joined us. This year we want to go further ahead. Last year, due to some other reasons, the strength was less. We could not spread that message. That is why we want the media's assistance, that this message should be spread to the general masses. And we look forward each and every person to join us. So let us see what response we get from the people over here.
So you all have targeted 20 beaches to be a clean up drive mein. Have you all approached the panchayats?
We have already approached to panchayats, we have approached state government, we have approached the local bodies, we have approached each and every possible department in Goa, including the education department, so that students can join, NCC, NSS, volunteers, NGOs, everyone. We want every person to be on the beach on that day in the morning to strengthen our hand.
सर आप पूरे साल जब बीच में रहते हो या सी में रहते हो तो क्या किस तरह का पोल्यूशन आपको दिखाई पड़ता है?
सी एक हमारा जनरल वेस्ट, हर तरह का वेस्ट हमको सी में मिलता है. प्लास्टिक वेस्ट हमारे को बहुत ज्यादा है, घोस्ट नेस्ट हमको बहुत मिलते हैं, पुराने नेट हमारे फ्लोट करते हुए मिलते हैं हमको, सीवेज जितना निकलता है कई बार हमको मिलता है, प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स मिलती हैं. सो इट एक्चुअली हार्म्स एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स ऑल्सो.
So any appeal to the fishermen?
We continuously carry out our community interaction program, and in coordination with Tree Foundation, we are also running a drive of ghost net retrieval program in Goa, and it has been very successful over the year, almost a year now. We are running this drive, and Tree Foundation is assisting us in collection of those. That the boats which are operating, they should be cleared, the crew should be trained, there should be no untrained crew on board, they should carry their life safety gears. We already approached them. And as a Coast Guard, as and when any call comes, we are ready to respond.
So any illegal activities?
As of now, nothing has come to notice. We are on vigil. So you can say that we are on vigil, so that is why there is no illegal activity which is taking place from sea at least.
Smuggling?
Say again?
Smuggling, human trafficking?
Nothing has been reported from our side, at least from the seaward side. There is nothing. There is quite a lot patrolling that will take place here. So we have been able to avert no such incident has been reported.
Oil spill hota hai marine mein?
Oil spill.
No oil spill has been reported in, at least I have been very lucky. No oil spill has been reported this year, and we are regularly conducting training with state government, state department, to prepare them also for responding to oil spill. For us remains search and rescue, and of course the frequent calls that we get, especially during rough seasons, when at times the tourist boat operates at sea without permission, or they get into the troubled water. That becomes a challenge for us. And but as if now we have been able to tackle each and every challenge and save. There has been no loss of life that we have reported in last 1 year, at least.
सर ये साल में कितना रेस्क्यू किया आपने?
हमारा about 100 plus people in Goa itself we have rescued.
कितने मतलब असाइनमेंट्स, कितने मतलब रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन?
See, for us it's a rescue operation every week, at least average is 1 to 2 operation will take place.
What kind of operation are they?
See, these are generally calls from the fishermen community. We have a recent incident of fire on board MV Frankfurt, which was off Goa only. There was a fire on board. So that was a major task that we have tackled for almost about 2 to 3 weeks. A lot of resources were pushed in. So these are the calls that we keep getting from the local community and the marine community.
सर गोवा में ऐसे ड्राउनिंग केसेस के रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन आपको ज्यादा आते हैं, कैसे मतलब?
Drowning भी हमारे पास आते हैं. Like as the tourist season will start, there will be drowning cases also, and it is generally first respondent remains the local police and fire state services. When it is beyond their control, then they seek our assistance.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.